my daughter's condition. Like she was raped by my brother 2020 and 2023. So 2020 she was 12 years old. Then azange zakhulume because uthi umuntu uselile ukuthi mangakhuluma uzombulala or uzobulala umamakhe.
Okay, let's track back.
So nasesikolweni akasakhophi kahle, then they advised ukuthi psychiatrist wathi angasabuyela esikolweni full time because makasesikolweni uyafitha, then nabangani bayamhleka izinto ezinjalo, so bathi kungcono yenze i-homeschooling. So the reason why I'm here.
Yabona bafethu, niyabona kodwa abantu abarapha ukuthi i-damage abayikhoze enganeni. It's too much ndoda. Kodwa imagine
Ukufitha, i-asthma, then sekaninkinga yesibeletho also, then i-depression ne-PTSD.
Kodwa mfethu ingane kasisi wakho igazi lakho impela anakho mfethu. Kodwa mina ngazi ngempela labo malume basuke bangenelwe yini yazi. Manje because manje uyabona limaza abantu abawu2, umama ulimele, ingane ilimele, phela umama ulimele naye manje. Then bese siba nalabo mama, yabo labo mama lapha ungadefenda ingane yakho yenze this thing.
Fixhaven connects you with trusted plumbers, electricians, cleaners, and more right when you need them. Simply download the app, find reliable professionals near you, and get the job done right at the first time. And if you are a skilled professional looking for work, download Fixhaven Pro on the app stores, use the code CHRIS26 for a discount, and start getting jobs today. Go to the description and find their link there or on our first comment.
Welcome to the dopest show. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show, even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing is usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Kanda. Do one story at the time and one testimony at the time. If you're new to the channel, where have you been? Please subscribe, press notification bell as well as join the membership, and also donate. Our details shown after the disclaimer. Thank you so much to those who are doing that. We humble, we highly appreciate it. Please like the episode before you watch it and subscribe and watch the episode until the end. Don't skip the ads. If you want our cleaning services, unamakundo nekhaya, ufuna ukucleanela indlu yakho ema-ofisini, ufuna ukuchange ama-ceiling, ufuna ukupenda, ufuna ukwenzani, please call us. James will show our details and we will offer the service. The aim of this is to make sure that abantu bayaqasheka and bayasebenza. So thank you so much to those who will be contacting us. We highly appreciate it. Shout out to Fixhaven for sponsoring this episode. Thank you so much, James. Are we on Grace?
Yeah, it's got time. We on Grace.
Yeah, I know you're tired.
Yeah,
it's been a long day.
It's been a long
but washung is what? It's been a long day without you, my friend. My son very fuck up. When I see you again. Oh. I come back and forth. Sishaya mkhonyana. Mnumzane.
Hayi madoda ukuthi
kunjani?
Siphilile njani?
Hayi lithini ixesha mnumzane?
Hayi ixesha lika Yesu. Lijiphinga thathirithi.
Mnumzane siyabulela tata ngasithola isiqoko noma ngisiye. Hey, you're pushing your luck. You're pushing your luck, my boy. My sister, welcome to the show. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much. Ngicela ukuthi introduce bese uqala igama lakho, ngiyazi ukuthi udaba lakho luthanda kuba nzimanyana. So bengicela ukuthi uqale nje ubingelele bese uya introduce udaba lakho ukuthi luthini.
Oh, hi everyone. Ngegama nguThabi. I'm from Soweto, Orlando West. Yes, then the reason why I came here is because I need assistance, like with my daughter's condition. Like she was raped by my brother 2020 and 2023. So 2020 she was 12 years old. Then azange azakhulume because uthi umuntu uselile ukuthi mangakhuluma uzombulala or uzobulala umamakhe.
Okay, Mrs. Track back ekhaya nihlala ekhaya le ubhuti mawuthi ubhuti ya family structure nje ubhuti uzalwa umama nobaba nihlala ekhaya lodwa kwenzakala kanjani?
Uzalwa umama, sizalwa umama uyi-one but we're not sharing the same father. Then besihlala sonke like endlini eyi-one. So when I'm at work then umama umuntu o-active then unokuziphumela ayidoro. Then she will leave my daughter alone endlini. Then that's when ubhuti akwazi ukungena yenza umntwana whatever menza yona.
Ubhuti umuntu onjani kuma drugs?
No, alright. So umuntu like obhema insango then uthanda utshwala, he's forever drunk. Because nomntana uthi makamenza lento le because ama incident ayi-2. So uthi usuka phuzile.
Hayi sesiyivala ngezinye indaba manje. Okay, nithola kanjani ukuthi umntwana u-rich ubhuti?
Uyawacela because at first I think it was 2021 nge-27 zaka December uyawasuka nje isisu. Then I took her to Mfulo Clinic. Then Mfulo Clinic azange sithola abadoctor bathi it's a holiday. Then siye eKosi. Then we went eKosi bamtransferela eBara. Then masifika eBara bamfaka kuMasona. Then bathola ukuthi une-ovarian cyst, unenkinga yesibeletho. Then still azangasho. Then eBara bathi sibuye January, and remember it was December, so isisu still besihlala simudla angabe right. Then I took her to a Coronation Hospital. Then masifika eCoronation udoctor wambuza wathi unayo vele cyst. Then wabuza umntwana ukuthi are you sexual active? Then umntwana wangibheka wasaba ukukhuluma. So udoctor washo ukuthi i-cyst iphuma abantu abalananayo. So yena akazi ukuthi imphume kanjani. Then we besihlala siya like esibhedlela. Then bengisebenza Metrobus. Then ngesikhathi ngisebenza Metrobus I met this guy because like I have a son una 12 this year. So une disability naye. Une lump like entanyeni, so it's between the brain and the spine. So bathi if I'm operator anyaka sakwazi ukuhamba nokukhuluma. So this guy wangizwa ngikhuluma nomngane wami emsebenzini. Then wathi kimi yena angangi-assista ngomntwana since une disability. Then if maybe we try something, then we started dating. Then wafaka lo owentombazane ku medical aid because every time masiya ibhedlela eBara basinikeza idate ekude but umntwana still usagula. Then wacela this guy ukuthi ufuna ukubona i-psychologist, ufuna ukukhuluma nomuntu ongamazi. So sambhukhela i-psychologist eThepothemba. Then masifika khanasho ke ukuthi umalume ulwele uyamdlwengula so bekasaba ukukhuluma. Then uyenze 2020 wamphinda futhi 2023. So 2023 that's when asho ukuthi last month ngeJanuary nge-23 umalume uyamphinda futhi.
Into esiyenzeke twice noma into ebilokhu yenzeka?
Uthi umntwana masembuza uthi twice, so I'm thinking maybe uyasaba ukusho.
Usesaba nokusho. Injani relationship yakho ekhaya umama ngowe ubhuti?
For now me and my mother like are separate because umama uthi bekumele singambophisi, bekumele sihlale phansi as a family sikhulume. So like I also need a place to stay also because of for now I'm not working because of the condition yomntwana. At any time call yangena uyafitha because udiagnosed ngama like una epilepsy, une asthma, une problem yowumbu but kwamela remove iwumbu because it damaged. So if angayi remove izomkhosela cancer.
Umntwana unangaki manje?
She's turning 18 September.
It's turning 18 September.
Sasansithi.
Ugwetshiwe?
No, umntwana akakaqedi u-testify because every time akumela testify uyagula. Last time uphume nge-ambulance ecourt ukuthi bekumela testify then wafitha. This year I think 48 or 49.
Ayibenganawo umuntu athandana naye ekhaya.
Angazi, like uhlala sesportini most of the time. He's always drunk, so I'm not sure ukuthi kwenzakalani. Because nomntwana uthi makamenza zona lezi zinto lezi bekasuka aphuzile. Because umntwana makumele sovula icase bayangafuna athi maybe anyeke bathathe istory sakhe because ubhuti wami uzothena bakaphuzile akabonanga nithi.
Okay. But umama uyidefenda kanjani into kanje?
I don't know, cause like nabantu emphakathini uzokutshela makangena abantu bani bathi usile bekumele ungabophisa ubhuti wakhe, like akusekho mnandi endlini.
Ayone yamangaza ke makukanjani. Because umama wakho is the one who's supposed to protect wena nengane yakho. Ezomuntu osifazana.
Umntwana futhi uthi umntwana uyazenzisa cause I think it was February bekumele siye court. I think next week yakhona umntwana bekakhona because umntwana uyewazicelela ukuthi masiqeda ukumbophisa uyamsaba, so maybe angayenza something angambulala or abulale mina. So wacela ukuthi ufuna ukuhamba ayohlala nosisi wami, then uzobuya maybe after lento le masayiphelile because like nasekhaya akakwazi ukuhlala because uba nama flashbacks makabona la ubhuti wami bekamrapela khona.
But umntwana maqeda ukushala lento uma ukhuluma nobhuti wakho wathini ubhuti wakho?
Angakakhulumi naye.
Wena wavela funa amaphoyisa?
Like siyesaya eSeptember makaceda ukusho umntwana aceda ukutshela psychologist uyasithumela same eSeptember ku social worker yakhona, then i-social worker yasithumela eTeddy Bear clinic ilabadila khona ngabantwana abarejiwe iseProtea Court. Then masifike eTeddy Bear, then that's when bathe siye epolice station sovula icase because umntwana bekangafuni ukuvula icase uthi usabe ukuthi kuzoba ne-conflict efamilini and already seyikhona because asizwani kahle nomama.
Mara yazi abantu besifazane banenhliziyo ezimbi. Because I'm thinking of umama wakho ukuthi umuntu osifazane kufuze ngabe uempathize nawe ukuthi yazi umntana mengenge umntana courageous ngiyayizwa lento le, the pain, because I'm just a man and I feel your pain ukuthi like ngempela ingane mangathiwa i-rape khona la ekhaya ubuhlungu engiyoba kubo. So kuyathusa uma ukuthi umuntu osifazane she can't be in your shoes and understand the pain and support you. So umntana usuke i-condition enjani njengamanje una 18 right? So kwi-condition kanjani njengamanje?
Like she's not okay because diagnosed with PTSD and depression, so she's also on medication yakhona. Then for like unokubleed nje almost 2 months or a month yonke angastop, because I think I still remember nge-7 zaka November last year she was bleeding until December. Then ngamthatha ngamukisa ku-gynecologist wathi if iyaqhubeka then kwamele senze something because bebathe kwamele remove iwomb because it damaged. So nasesikolweni akasakhophi kahle, then they advised ukuthi psychiatrist wathi angasabuyela esikolweni full time because makasesikolweni uyafitha, then nabangani bayamhleka izinto ezinjalo, so bathi kungqona yenze i-homeschooling. So the reason why I'm here, since I'm not working, bengithi ngizocela maybe abantu bancede ngama donations so that ngikwazi ngumfaka i-homeschooling afundele endlini.
So my homeschooling which
it's a private, sort of like a private.
So
because like engitholile it's an online one, then the school fees it's almost for the whole year because registration fee is 8.7, then monthly installment is 2.7. 2.8 monthly installment.
Okay, okay. Sicela emakhaya cause abantu abafuna ukudonate inamba yakho sicela ushiya inamba yakho bakufonele my sister.
My cell phone number is 084-763-1484.
At least bakhulume nawe babone ukuthi bakusiza kanjani. Yabo. So I think abantu sicela ukuthi basebenzise leyo number abakhonayo abanamandla lokho kuncane usisi azokhona ukuthi ingane iye ikhona nokuthola homeschooling nanokuthi lene ukuthi kuningi uthini.
Ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi we say your daughter now she's 18. Namanje usasenale into ukuthi akafuni ukukhuluma because usabulawa usasenalo umqondo
because most of the time mangithi ngikhuluma naye ngayo uthi akafuni ukukhuluma ngayo. So the only people la khuluma nabo psychologist ne psychiatrist because even tomorrow imulisa for a counseling session.
So she tells them everything.
Then after abane session nabo, then they call me bangitshela ukuthi this is what is happening because last year October she was admitted in mental health because like akekho right mentally nje.
Oh God. Mntwana usizakala kanjani my sis? Yini ongayithanda ukuyibona yenzeka kumntana wakho mhlawumbe?
Oh, cause like umntwana obright from grade R until manje bekathola ama-awards esikolweni. So like lento le imlimazile cause na last ma-court sifunda prosecutor uyangifundisa ilento i-statement sakhe i-impact victim statement. Then uye wabhala ukuthi lately since after the incident ye-rape akasafeel ngathi uye sekahlala khathele. Then sometimes ufila ngathi angathatha impilo yakhe nje because usisi wami ucomplaina ngokuthi uhlala azivalele ekamereni, so we scared ukuthi maybe angazikhatha or something.
Bafisa hey ama-feminists amanye yazi mina ngazo-operate kanjani. Iyiphi message ongathanda like uyitshela ubhuti wakho njengamanje makwenza nje sithi-ke khona eSunset because baphatha amafoni ubhekile yiphi message ongathanda ukumtshela? Because I'm sure lento le i-affects yabo may-affect umntwana affecta nawe nakwi-relationship ongena ku iyak-affect.
Because manje nami ngidiagnoswe nge-depression because after the incident azange like ngisaba right. Because ukubona like umntwana thinking ukuthi umntwana mbekagula like a normal child aphathwa isisu ikhanda like a normal child, but now ukubona umntwana afitha because makaqeda ukufitha uba unconscious for 3 hours akavuki.
Oh God.
So ufitha ekuqaleni
After this incident because bekangafithi before.
Yini into cause lezi zinto kind of
the first time she was raped 2020 when she was 12. Then the second time it happened
2023
between
2021. Then ukufitha
khona udokotela. So ukufitha kuqale nini?
2023 makaqeda ukuphinda kwesi2.
So doctor, like when it comes to ufitha abanikanga izizathu sokuthi mhlawumbe because
but ilento like this thing ye-rape isemqondweni yakhe, so like most of them makayicabanga then that's when afitha like ukutrigger like
yabona bafethu niyabona kodwa abantu abarape ukuthi i-damage abayikhoze enganeni it's too much ndoda. Kodwa
ukufitha i-asthma then sekaninkinga yesibeletho also then i-depression ne-PTSD.
Kodwa mfethu ingane kasisi wakho igazi lakho impela anakho mfethu
mntanami.
kodwa mina ngazi ngempela labo malume basuke bangenelwe yini yazi.
Hayi deep now ukuthi
Manje cause manje uyabona limaza abantu abawu2. Umama ulimele, ingane ilimele, phela umama ulimele naye manje. Then bese siba nalabo mama, yabo labo mama lapha. Ungadefenda ingane yakho yenze this thing.
so ungagogo beke defender umalume akakaboni ukugula komntwana like akawuboni ukugula komntwana azibuza ukuthi okay lo mntwana bengekho so vele akayiboni into
uthi uyazenzisa.
Imagine bro.
usho kanjalo
Because na last February bekumele siye court, then a week before siye court umntwana bekakhona. Uthi emntwaneni makangena ubonela ukuthi ke February kuyiwa court, so go ke emkhanyana go kula. So utshela umntwana kanjalo. So according to yena umntwana uyazenzisa kakule.
Uyaphuza ugogo. Hawu.
Akaphuza
yasonto
full time.
Mara yabona abantu babezonda abantu besonto uthi inzondo iphuma kuphi because sibuka ayithi ambona umuntu ngeSunday uzothatha iBhayibheli ayesontweni but uyayibona idamage ayenzayo.
then your second child yena you say you have a son
Une disability naye.
yinto angizwanga ichaza kahle uphethwe yini
Une lamp entanyeni la emove, so bathi between ispine ne brain. So anyaka bazokwazi uyi-operator because mabayi-operator anyaka sakazokhuluma nokuhamba, so izohlala lapho, so nayo uyafitha, then une-asthma.
how old is he yeah
He's turning 12 this year.
My sister, yiphi message ongathanda uyitshela umama wakho nobhuti wakho mabebhekile njengamanje le episode? Yini ongathanda ukubona kwenzeka?
Umamami into engamtshela yona because namanje like nokufila ukuthi akamanje angifuni ukukhuluma naye until I get my own place because unento ukuthi lapha ya kubo. So I think na last time uyasho ukuthi akazi ukuthi ngihamba nini because yena sekakhathele yimi. So the message engamupha yona ukuthi like ngifila ngathi usifailile mina nomntanami because being a mother bekumele acabanga ukuthi if beyenzakale kimi ngumntanakhe bekazofila kanjani because she can't be protecting a rapist emoshe impilo yomntwana because njengoba ngisho ukuthi umntwana she was all fine until lezinto lezi zenzakale kuye. So ubhuti wami yena ngizitshela ukuthi the day baqeda ukumsentence kwamanje angifuni ukumbona, ngimbona nje nase court and nase court angifili ukumbona because last mangimbone court mangimbhekile wangitsipela ilihlo ngavela ngambheka nje.
Ukutsipela ilihlo lani?
I don't know.
Ngathi akekho right naye khanda usatsipa amehlo se kodwa cha bafethu. Manje utshengisa ukuthi aka regret
because nase court une drama. The last time bekatshela i-translator ukuthi akamuzwa urasisi itulo nakuna itulo bezirasa lapha ecourt nini unokuphuma ecourt umagistrate asapostpone imethu ukuthi uzobuya nini uyaphuma last beka uye waphuma umagistrate asakhuluma umagistrate watshela iphoyisa ukuthi mlande wamtshela ukuthi la icourt yami awuzo control if bo control again because umntwana makakhuluma ne prosecute umtshelile like bayebabuza ukuthi how's the relationship like endlini usiphetha kanjani umalume then umntwana washo ukuthi like usishaya sonke endlini no mama.
Yabona nabo mama la but still some protect.
Bakashaya like sonke endlini akasebenzi so makangena ufuna ukudla ngenkani.
Ufundisa umama ngithi. Ebakhohlakele lawo mama yazi. Kodwa uyivumela kanjani into enje? Mayibhekele episode impela siyamcela ukuthi yazi akakacabanga ayifake ecathulweni eish yo no my sister thina sinawo amandla kodwa asithemba abantu ababhekile emakhaya ukuthi bazosinceda cela uphinde James cela inamba yakho uyiphinde uyifake lapha for donation uveze inamba yakhe bamfonele yeah ngicela uphinde futhi inamba yakho my sister.
Okay, my cell phone number is 084-763-1484.
Okay, no sizophinde ngisendele ile WhatsApp ngayo ya uphinde ngisendele James hi-fi lapha screen so abantu abafuna ukucontacta nawe bekhulume nawe straight because mina story angisazi yabona so mabe bekhuluma nawe yonke into iza kuwe kuba right kanjani. Okay. Yeah, so my sister asinakho nathi okuningi sithembe nje abantu emakhaya bazosincede nesiyacela ukuthi besincede kulolu daba usizakale yo angazi nanokuthi ngithini but nje sithemba uNkulunkulu ukuthi uzokusiza so yeah sithemba ukuthi hayi konke kuzondlula konke kuzohamba ngohlelo because thina siyaplan izinto ngokwazi kwethu kodwa uNkulunkulu uplana ngendlela yakhe so let's wait on God. Siyabonga kakhulu emakhaya. Yeah, this is my day. Sometimes you get the episode that is good, sometimes you get the episode that is very sad, and sometimes you get the episode that is very spiritual. Sometimes you get the episode that is very confusing. I just sit and listen. But thank you for watching Chris Network. On camera and sound as usual, I got my man James, and on my right I got my man Gand. I do one story at the time and one testimony at the time. If you're new to the channel, where have you been? Please subscribe, press the notification bell, as well as join the membership. And also donate. Our details shown after the disclaimer. You're looking for a cleaning service? Yes, just contact us. We will help you. If you call us, remember you'll be creating job opportunities because we'll be hire people in the communities. So yeah, please, it's very important when you give us a job, we'll make sure we provide that services and we take people that really need the job. So thank you so much. What a sad episode. Your take, James, so you want to take on this episode? Do you have a take?
Not really, because all we're asking for is help. Anyone who listened and has something to offer, please let's help our sister out because it's a heavy one.
Yeah,
it's a really heavy one. We're just asking for help. Anyone?
Kanda?
Yeah, ngakusho ukuthi vele makukhona umuntu ongasiza kakhulukazi abantwana ngale issue epilepsy ne-asthma abaziveze bafethu yona le yabona asazi-notice team but my biggest concern mina abantwana ngihleli la ngiyacabanga ukuthi kungaba yini
even nomuntu ongakhona ukusiza uma isister nge-counseling because it's too much.
Counseling.
Yeah.
Yabo. But I think the biggest thing vele engadinga imali enkulu ile this medical conditions zabantwana. It's not only lo ntombazana kuphela and the younger boy naye. Yabo. Yeah, but mina ngakusho kuma sister ukuthi like Satan umingi inyawo. You need to fight as umama walabantwana lawo. You need to pray harder.
Umsebenzi my sister uthi usebenza ngithi nama qualifications one
Call center, matric, receptionist, like izinto eziningi.
Yeah. Even those who can help mhlawumbe nanokuthi uthola umsebenzi ube stable uthola indawo yakho yokuhlala. Yeah. Siyacela nabo ukuthi please they can contact us bakusiza uhambe at least uthola umsebenzi okunye uzoyiprovide because I think that will help a lot. The main thing mawathola nje umsebenzi okuningi usungazenzela yabo. So yeah, no, thank you so much. We shout out to Fix 7 and we out. Yeah.